Hey guys, welcome to Archdev Labs. In this era of AI, you don't want to be slow in coding. You need assistance of AI tools to speed up. So today, I'm gonna show you the best free AI coding tool of 2026. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel to get more informative videos like this. Let's dive in. Let's open VS Code. Before I show you the installation and setup procedure of that AI tool, I'm gonna show you the examples of usage of that AI tool. Let's declare a variable called text and try putting value to it. You can see as I put value to it, it gives autofill suggestions according to the context. Next, I'm gonna put just a comment to print each character of the text. And look, it suggests code to execute that task. Now I'm gonna press tab to accept it. Let's try saving and executing it. Hope that will work. Look, it executed perfectly. Next, I'm gonna create a whole program, a simple calculator. I'm gonna press Ctrl I and create a prompt like this. It will take some time and give you options to accept, reject, or follow up. I'm gonna choose accept. Let's save it and try to run it. See if that works. So it's working perfectly fine. Let's proceed to the installation and the setup process. First, go to the Extensions tab and search for Windsurf. Click on the Install button. and wait. Now it's installed. Let's move to the setup process. Let's create a Python file to test on. Now you can see a button called Insert Login. You need to click on it. Then click on this login button. A pop-up will appear. Then click on the buttons as I show. It will redirect to your web browser. You need to log in to Windsurf. Now let's try to log in. If you haven't logged in before, it might fail. I will show you the alternative way to log in to Windsurf. You need to cancel the login process on Visual Studio Code. Then it will give you another prompt to open your browser. It will give you a token. You need to copy it. Then go to Visual Studio Code and press Ctrl plus Shift plus P, or go to the top search bar and go to Run and Show commands and type provide and select that option and paste the token here and press enter. Now you're successfully logged in. You're ready to go now. Now you can enjoy your AI tool for your coding. Thank you for watching this video. That's it for today. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel to get more informative videos like this.